This is one of the best eye makeup tricks for hooded eyes. You know, when your eyeshadow looks flawless, then you open your eyes and it's all gone. It's hidden under your fold. Let me show you how exactly to fix that so your makeup actually stays visible, no matter with eyes open or closed. I've struggled with hooded eyes forever. I blend, layer shadow, follow tutorials, but the second I opened my eyes, all that effort was just gone because it was hidden under the fold. It actually used to drive me crazy until I discovered this super easy new crease trick. It completely changed how my eyes look and boosted my confidence, honestly. Prep your eyelids first. The problem for hooded eyes is that when you close your eyes, everything is perfect, but when you open your eyes, everything will be disappeared under your fold. That's not very desirable. Now, what is one of the best eye makeup for hooded eyes? You have a natural crease. You see that? This line is my natural crease. You should fake a new crease higher than your natural one. First, look straight ahead to the mirror and eyes relaxed, and do not stretch your eyebrows or do not tilt your head. Find the area just above your real crease. As you can see, this line is my real crease, but I'm going to create a fake crease lightly above it. So, first take a light transition shade, something close to your skin tone but slightly deeper, and softly sketch a new crease line above your natural crease, following the natural shape of your eye. So this is the fake crease line, just a little bit upper than my real crease. You see, it is as if that my fold became smaller and I have like more deep set eye. And now create a V shape at the outer corner, or let's say extend the outer corner and connect the line with your fake crease. This is it. And when I close my eyes, you see that? A fake crease is created. And when I open my eyes, nothing is going to be disappeared. Now with a fluffy brush, blend this crease upward and outward. Continue the blending towards the tail of your brows. Now take a bit darker shade and remember to tap off the excess. Now it's time to deepen this crease with a slightly darker shade, as I said. So I'm just gonna overline it for the second time with a bit darker shade. I also put a little bit of darkness at my outer corner to create definition. Now, when you close your eyes, you can see there's a gap between your real crease and the fake crease. And all you have to do is that to fill the gap with a light shimmery shade. So I'm taking a Sparkling Sound from Too Faced palette, and I close my eyes and I try to fill the gap between the real crease and the fake crease. When your eyes are open, that shimmery shade is not visible because it is hidden under the fold. But when you close your eyes, it is obvious, so you have to feel it. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat the process for my other eye. First, as I said, I take a light transition shade and I create a fake crease a little bit above my real crease. Then again, I extend my lower lash line upward and I connect the line with the fake crease. Now I blend everything. Now I take a darker shade and I overline my fake crease. And I also put a little bit of darkness at the outer corner. And I try to blend it towards the center. This is it. And now everything is perfect, but when I close my eyes, there's a gap between the real crease and the fake crease, which needs to be filled with a shimmery shade. So I close my eyes and I fill the gap with the same shimmery shade. This eyeshadow look is so much natural, and it also can be considered as somehow no makeup. But I want to complete it with liner and false lashes. You know, the best possible eyeliner for hooded eyes is to keep the liner very small and simple and very much close to your lash line. And if you want to learn more eyeliner styles perfect for every eye shape, especially for hooded eyes, check out the playlist I have linked here for you. And with a small wing at the inner corner. You know, if you want to draw very much thick liners above your lash line, it will get lost under your fold. So this is one of the best kind of eyeliner styles for hooded eyes. Also for lashes, it's important to pay attention to the false lashes that you're choosing for hooded eyes. For instance, you should avoid using very much long lashes and try to use oblique order lashes. And the lashes I chose are very much short. And if you want to know how to apply false lashes easily and like professionals, check out the video I have linked here for you. So as you can see, I filled the gap between my inner corner and my eyelash line. It's all done. The perfect eye makeup for hooded eyes. And you can see that even with my eyes fully open, you can still see the shadow is visible. And also there are much more hooded eyes makeup that I can share with you. And please let me know in the comments if you want more hooded eyes tutorials. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thank you. Bye.